problem with Arsenal is after the coach left, that is Arsene Wenger back in the day, the team, of course, lost how they normally do their stuff. Yeah. Now they have lost Mesut Ozil. And I've mentioned you that Wanyama left Tottenham Hotspur, and Tottenham Hotspur has that curse. We Africans, we Kenyans, believe in, we are superstitious. Mesut Ozil, the way he prays, you know, Anandanga, on social media, he'll be like, and that prayer, I'm personal, yeah? Yeah. Arsenal fans, I'm sorry, but hey, I just have to mention this because we need to talk to each other, of course, on our pages to mention this because the curse that they brought on themselves with Mesut Ozil, because I feel it.
Shout outs to all Arsenal fans. Thank you so much for the likes, the love that you always give us. Please, after that, if you're an Arsenal fan, I need you to step up. Arsenal fans need to step up to the first page.
And you need to step up also your DSTV package to the next page. But just to mention a few, UFC is also, UFC, Ultimate Fighting Championships, mixed martial arts, inside here.
Oh, yeah?
Formula 1, inside here.
Oh, okay.
There is also tennis.
Oh, for real?
French Open. Those other opens.
Like Roland Garros.
You will find the Kina.
Venus, Serena.
There.
Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, I love that. All right.
Djokovic. Also, there's golf. Now,
wait. Let's put it out there.
Let me get
this guy is a village golfer. Allow me, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to Africa's #1 village golfer.
My Cabras people, where are you at?
Here we go.
I got blessings from the village Cabras, and I play good golf. In fact, the other time, I've played in tournaments, like I think from the beginning of the year until where we are now, I played like 10 tournaments.
Can I ask you a question?
At Sigona, at Mudaiga, at Railway, at Royal, you name them. Now, DSTV takes you to the Tiger Woods, the Justin Johnsons, the Flintwoods. In fact, the other day we were seeing Tiger Woods playing with the young Woods. It was a tournament whereby these top golfers came with their young ones to compete in a tournament. Only on DSTV can you get this kind of stuff.
Question.
I was about even to turn with a chair.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
So when you all wanapenda mti, but yeah, as in
miti tunapenda, we like balls and we like holding our balls in a hole where there is a stick.
I'm talking about golf, bro. Yeah.
That's the simple description of golf.
Good job, yeah. That's a nice thing.
There's rugby as well, right?
All right.
There's Formula 1.
Okay.
There's UFC. There's wrestling. I don't know how. There's a lot. There is Cartoon Network. Oh, wow. There is everything that you need to watch. You don't need to go anywhere else. Only one stop shop, as you say, the home.
Thank you so much, bro.
You're welcome.
I feel like I'm ready because I've been explored, and finally I'll be able to pause live TV, record my favorite shows, watch my football in crystal clear HD. My G, thank you, Manzi.
You're welcome. I got you. That's why I had to call you. There was no other person to call because I know you are suffering at home with it. You have problems with your television. You're struggling. So go have that.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, I'll send an installer to help you out because I know you like behaving like a village person going on top, thinking you can put an aerial. Now, to get DSTV is so easy. Just dial *423#, and of course, you have that. Now, to step up. My people, of course, on social media, this is for you, by the way. This is, I need to tell you this. I've not told you this, but I saved the best for this. Now, if you are on Access, yes, and you pay for family, Tony Kwalanda, Lotan, and the management, we will give you Compact, where you will watch your football, the English Premier League. Yani, you will enjoy.
Thank you, my G. It's been a pleasure for having me at the Man Cave.
Anytime. I mean, you're the easiest of the options I had because I know I can just move you around here.
No, I'm not easy and I'm not moved around easy.
At least from what your exes told me.
Do you want us to talk about exes?
What are you waiting for?
All right. I'm quiet.
Also, footballers normally have exes, they have current ones, and they have concubines or others.
Here we go. This is a Tony Kwalanda.
And it's important. I know, and if you look at the teams that are doing very badly on the table, if you look at their players, they behave very badly behind the scenes.
Do you know why? Because they are players.
Okay.
It's a wrap.